Hello guys, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos and you're giving me encouragement to make these kind of videos and help you. Thanks again. So I'm just been teaching more than 2 years and I'm facing different kind of students. Some people is coming from the Europe, and when they coming from the Europe, because there's a left and right hand side driving problem when they come in the UK. So one of my student, his name is Said Ali, he came to me and he was struggling a lot staying on the left hand side, because when you draw the route in the real exam, so all his problems staying on the right and the left hand side. So this video is for you guys. If you not struggling in the left and right side, then you can skip this video and you can watch my other videos. But if you're really struggling, and mostly about 20% people, they're struggling to stay on the left hand side, they forget which one is the right, which one is the left side. So in this video, please watch till at the end. At the end of this video, I hope so you're gonna learn about the left hand side and the right hand side. Let's start. So I'm gonna show you on the first board, then we're gonna try on the real map, which is going to be coming in the exam as well. So you're gonna have mostly four options. You coming from the east, maybe you coming from the west, south and the north. These four options you're gonna get mostly in the exam. Sometimes maybe you're coming from the northeast as well, but they're not a big issue. So the mostly you're gonna get this kind of. So let's do it. Which one is the right and the left? So let's say you're coming from the east. So this is the top side and this is the bottom one. And how are you going to find out which one is left hand side? So let's say if you're coming from the east, then your left hand side is going to be like this. You're going to draw the line like this. So it means you're coming like this in the real exam, or when you do the route planning. So your left hand side is going to be from the bottom of this line. Hope so you understand this one. And let's say if you're coming from the east, so the line should be at the bottom. If you're coming from the east, let's say you're going towards east, I don't know how you're going to remember it, but there's going to be the different way to remember this one. I'm going to delete this line. Okay, let's say you're coming from the east, so this is your left hand side, and if you're going towards east, then the line should be at the top. So you're going to go like this. Yeah, so again, if you're coming from the east, so you should stay at the bottom. And if you're going towards east, the line should be at the top. Hope so you understand this one. Let's try from the north. Sorry, first do the east and west. Yeah, so it's going to be the same as well. So I explained you over here. When you're coming from the west, so you're going to stay at the top like this. And if you're coming from the east, as I said before, so you're going to stay at the bottom as well like this. A lot of people, if I give the examples, so let's say if they're coming from the east, they do like this. They draw the line like this. So sorry, yeah, this is the road. So this is the left hand side of the road. Yeah, this is, and that's the right hand side of the road as well. So I just make the road. This is like a possible road. In the real exam, you're gonna get like this. Hope so you understand from the east and the west. This is the most common example you're gonna get in the exam. Let's say you're coming from the north, means from the top and the bottom. So when you're coming from the top, so your left hand side is going to be over here. So this is your left hand side if you're coming from the top. And there's many ways to remember this one, means stay on the left hand side. So you just keep coming, and here as well. So this is your left hand side. Let's say you're going up, so always confusing where to stay, over here or here. So this is your left hand side over here like this. So you're going up, so over here. So which one is going to be the left hand side? This one is going to be the left hand side like this. And yeah, hope so this is a tricky, but when you do practice, when you go to the center in couple of hours, you're not going to learn this one. So we have a package which is for unlimited days, means we will give you the login. We have a 300 route planning questions. You can log in and practice for unlimited days, for 10 days, 15 days. Not all of people, some people they struggle a lot, so they need practice and these kind of. Hope so you understand this one. Now what's about the roundabout? So this is the roundabout. A lot of people struggle how to stay on the left hand side. So let's say you're coming from the east and you want to go to the north. So you just come like this, then you're gonna go around like this, go around the roundabout. You can do like this, just go around. The TFL say in the exam you have to go around the roundabout. Let's say if you're coming from here, so let's say you're coming here, then if you do like this, you're gonna get 0 marks. You can't do like this because you have to stay on the left hand side. Like let's say you are driving in the real life, so when you reach at the roundabout, then you turn left this way, then you go like this, go around the roundabout. So same when you're coming from the north, south and west. Let's do one more example. And let's say you're coming from the west and you want to go to the south, so just stay on the left hand side like this here, just go around and just keep doing like this. It's gonna be a mess now, but yeah, hope so you understand this one. Now this was like a real example lines. Now I'm gonna give you the examples when you're gonna do the route planning with us or any other center or in the real exam. So how you're gonna stay on the left hand side. So I'm gonna give you the real shape which you're gonna get in the exam. Thank you so much. Let's start. Yeah, okay. Now so this is the real exam shape which is going to be you're going to get in the exam. This is same map you will get in the exam. So now we have this situation over here. So how are you going to find out the left and the right? So let's say you're coming from the east, from your left hand side. If you're looking at the screen, so where is say Ford, so your left hand side, as I said in the video, you see is going to be from the bottom, so like this. So this is your left hand side, so you are going towards from east to south, so this is your left hand side. Just keep going like this, and the roundabout, just go around. You should stay on the left hand side from the roundabout as well. Yeah, so this is your left hand side if you coming from the east. And let's say if you're coming from west, so that's going to be your left hand side like this. You go like this, here, and you go around the roundabout like this, here, like this. Yeah, so stay like this, keep carry on. So yeah, that's it. Now let's say you're coming from the north side, so then your left side is going to be like this. Here, this is your left hand side. Here, this is your left hand side. Then this roundabout again. Some people just go like this from the roundabout. You cannot do like this. So please stay on the left hand side. Go around like this. This is your left hand side. Just think, when you turning, let's say if you want to turn left, so think which one is your left hand side. So this is going to be your left hand side. Let's say you're driving in the UK. I know if you come from the Europe, it's going to be a lot of confusions. So because you are doing PCO now, so you must have a 3 years old license in the UK. Let's say you are driving, so which one side is going to be? Look, this is your left hand side. And let's say you're going up towards north, so this is your left hand side like this. Here, this is your left hand side. Here, this is your left hand side. Go up like this. Now a lot of people, when they go to the road, then they have a confusions. Now we need to turn left. This is a one way. In the one way you can stay in the middle of the road, don't worry. Now here the people have a problem when they want to go right and if they want to turn left. So you tell me guys, if you want to turn right, so which one is going to be your right hand side? This one? No, let's make a mind. Let's say you are driving, so you're gonna do like this. So this is your left hand side. Here, this is your left hand side. And again, if you want to turn right, so this is your left hand side. Here, so in the one way you can stay on the right, in the middle of the road, don't worry. Here, now again if you want to turn left now, so this is your left hand side is going to be. Hope so you understand this one, but you need lot of practice, then you will be okay. Couple of hours and by watching my videos you might learn something, but you must get this software and practice. So we provide this training and we have a flexible charges. You can see these are all the folders. You will be able to log in into my computer and you can practice unlimited whenever you want to do it. So hope so you understand this one. If you have any question, please WhatsApp me. Try not to call me. Too many people are calling me. It's difficult for me teach and teaching. Sometimes I teaching people, I cannot attend the call. So please WhatsApp me, then I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much.